Hey guys,
Hi.
Boushy and Jess here. I said your name for you.
Yeah, let me say my name. Boushy.
And Jess here. We're just getting in the holiday spirit,
Yep.
and we've decided to do a little DIY video of just some nice Christmas decorations.
I actually don't have any kind of decorations in my house right now, and even though there's like 3 days left until Christmas,
I
I still
know.
want something.
Yeah, hey, it's never too late to get into the Christmas spirit. I personally don't either. I don't either.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, we're like a bunch of Grinches
I
around
know.
here. We're gonna try to do like a little affordable
Affordable, yeah.
DIY
Yes.
ornament making.
DIY
Maybe just
Christmas.
decoration.
DIY Christmas, decorations. Alright guys, so I'm at the 99-cent store, as you can see here. I normally don't vlog, but today is a special day because I am doing a little vlog with my girl Jessica. She is having issues with her car. You good over there, sister? The parking lot here is insane, so
It's already set in stone.
she's over it. All right, but here we go.
Someone like you could love.
I'm gonna make something for the door that my roommate's gonna hate.
All right, so I think I'm gonna decorate this wreath. Is this a wreath? Is my question. Oh wait, it just fell apart. It's actually garland, so no, it's not a wreath, but I can make a wreath out of this, I suppose. All right, so I've got my hat, and Jess has hers. Of course, I'd go for the cutesy one.
Love.
All right, so change of plans here, guys. We couldn't find a wreath to decorate, and Jess couldn't find what to decorate. I don't even know, some random thing to decorate. So instead, we are going to make.
We're gonna do you one better.
What are we doing?
Rice Krispie holiday Rice Krispies treats.
So excited. So I showed you guys all the ingredients already, and we are going to show you guys how to make these.
Love.
Here's a little inspiration. So now we're just shaping our reindeer.
Our reindeer bodies or heads. Heads. Mine's looking a little deformed, but that's okay. They're all different.
It all works.
They're all different sizes.
Shapes, sizes.
Shapes, sizes, colors. You know.
Yes.
I kind of want to make like a ball.
Make a ball.
Yeah?
Yeah, like a snowman.
Yeah, like a snowman ball.
Yeah, snowman ball.
I feel like this was perfect timing, actually.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah. I thought it was going to be way stickier, too. It's actually not that sticky.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
So next batch, I'm gonna add some vanilla extract. Abstract.
That'll work too. These are
Wow.
actually abstract.
These are what are abstract.
I'm actually wondering what these even taste like. first of all.
They're probably really good. I mean, marshmallows.
Wait, let me.
Should we have
try
added
it.
sugar?
I know, that's what I'm thinking.
In the recipe, it doesn't say add sugar.
No, it's like perfect. I'm not even kidding. Like it's sweet, but it's not too sweet.
I want to know who came up with marshmallows.
Who did?
I mean, a genius.
If this doesn't work, I'm gonna go with your idea.
She said that we got this white.
Right? It's like runny.
We got this white
Icing.
and it looks the color of semen.
This is semen white. Whoever made this had a dirty mind. It's a little too
can't
bright.
see it.
Oh, you can't see it, but that's basically what it looks like. You can't see it until it dries. So maybe you have to wait for it to dry. This is looking a little spooky.
Love.
I really feel like mine, well, it's losing its hair, but I feel like this looks like some kind of character. I just can't figure it out. Do you know what I'm talking about? This girl, like she looks like some kind of cartoon character.
Some Nickelodeon girl.
Yeah, like I don't know what.
What was she in? Was she in like Doug or something? No.
I have no idea, but this literally, look how big this is, by the way. It's almost as big as my head. This is my family here, and they look like they're probably on some kind of drugs, but that's all cool, whatever. I think I did pretty well. And Jess, in my opinion, this one looks like a little chick, super cute. So does that one. What do you have to say about your little family here?
Here, as you can see, this is obviously a lady. She was supposed to be Mrs. Claus, but I'm gonna go with just a Mrs. Reindeer. And then these are her, this is her husband because he's the manliest one. See how big he is? And then these are her brothers because they look like little turds.
Good.
If you like coconut.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try mine. I'm gonna eat this guy, because why not? I think it's good, but I feel like we could use more marshmallow. A little dry, but not bad for our first time. Not too shabby. All right, so this was our awesome treat making situation, and I think they came out super cute. What do you think?
Yes, agreed.
I mean, they're not the best, but I think that's what makes it so fun, because they're kind of like weird looking, right?
They're little reindeers. I think they look great. We could be cousins, actually.
They probably are cousins, and they're probably married. I hope you guys enjoyed coming to the store with us and going on the adventure with us. But for our first time, I feel like we did really well. And I would love to hear you guys' comments below. Actually, I would love for you guys to name her in the comments below, because this is my really special girl right here, okay?
Yeah.
She's gone through a rough time, and I'm not sure what to name her. She went to a Christmas party, and this is what happened the day after.
Yeah, she woke up with extremely runny
Eyeballs.
mascara. Eyeballs.
Her lipstick's a little crazy, her hair's a little crazy, I don't know, but yeah, so this, I would love for you guys to name her, and if you guys are not subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe. I will definitely put Jessica's link down below, so make sure to check that out, and I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. Honestly,
But why are they so hard?
I feel like I could
They're
throw
like
this.
drumsticks now.
I could throw this out a window, break a window. Like, just listen. Like, are you kidding?